Okay, up your feet. Sorry, you're on the end. Come on up. No. Hey. Woo. And the other way. Way. Woo. Right, now who has ever been to a barn dance? Yes. Well, you didn't look like you'd ever been to a barn dance. Now, Junior Deeper are going to be organising a barn dance, and Hannah is going to come up and explain a little bit more about it. Hannah? Thank you. Thank you so much. Right, let's get my... There we are. Hello. Right, Hannah. I understand Junior Deeper are organising a barn dance. Could you tell everybody why?
To raise quite a lot of money for Global Challenge.
For Global Challenge, that's amazing. What made you think of a barn dance?
Because I went to one before and it was quite fun.
Ah, what a good idea. So this is going to be a fun night. You hope so, yes, right. Now, is it a problem if you've never been to a barn dance before?
No, because there's a caller who teaches you all the instructions.
Excellent. So if you've never been to a barn dance before, there's somebody called a caller and they give you instructions. And as you saw on the clip, it's easy. Nothing ever goes wrong. Now, Hannah, what should I wear?
Anything you're comfortable in, but high heels are not ideal.
Right, so no high heels. You mean to say I don't have to wear a hat? So if you wish to wear a hat, you can. Do I have to wear cowboy boots?
You don't have to.
Okay, but if you've got cowboy boots and a straw hat, this is a time to wear them. But if you haven't, just a pair of flatties will do and no short skirts, because you could end up very embarrassed. Right. Now, what about, Hannah, if you're on your own? I think I'd feel quite shy about coming on my own.
At a barn dance, you dance with everybody and it's lots of fun.
Yeah, so at a barn dance, you don't stick with one partner. You dance with lots of different people, and in fact, if you come with a partner, you're not likely to see them till the end of the evening. So that may be a good or bad thing, I don't know. But it really is great fun, and you get to meet a lot of people, new people, in a very relaxed atmosphere. So, should I bring some money with me?
Yes, since crafts and refreshments will be on sale.
Thank you. So it costs £2.50, and then there are some crafts and refreshments also on sale. So bring a little bit of, do people need to bring cash? not
Yeah.
card?
Cash.
So cash, please. Lovely. So could you just remind everybody when it is?
5 to 7 p.m.
Lovely. And which date?
The 18th of May.
Lovely. Saturday, the 18th of May, between 5 and 7 p.m. Is there anything else you want to say to anyone? No. All right. Thank you so much, Hannah. Thank you. Right, so put that date in your diary. It's going to be a lot of fun.